Hi everybody, my name is Muhammad Al Hassan Tholi, international student from Sierra Leone, West Africa. I'm here to say 2 or 3 things about the Right University Uniportal, which helped me greatly during my application process to have my visa and my acceptance letter, which is very simple through the Uniportal of Right University. I'm here currently with a friendly learning environment, teachers, learning, everything is amazing. So what are you waiting to write for university? Check the Uniportal and you will easily have your university acceptance letter and your visa process very smooth and easy. Thank you so much. By the way, Muhammad Al Hassan Thori, BSc Cardiovascular Technology. Thanks.